Gratitude just isn't a vibe. It's a life upgrade just waiting to happen. Let's get into it. Gratitude rewrites your brain. It raises your vibration and makes you feel good. Bruce Lipton, the author of the book, Biology of the Brain, his main thing is that the moment you change your perception is the moment you rewrite the chemistry of your body for the better. Now, who doesn't want to do that? Let's talk about this vibration thing without it being too hooey-cooey. So we have to go all the way back to Nikola Tesla. If you don't know who Nikola Tesla is, he's pretty much the founder of all energy vibration. His main point was that the universe doesn't speak in words. It speaks in energy, frequency, and vibration. What is your vibration? Your vibration is your mood and what you think about and how you feel. That's your vibration. So, again, it goes back to the radio station. That's your set point. That's what you're going to attract. So whatever you think about all day is what you're going to attract. So be it a high vibration, everything always works out for me, or I can't do anything right. The world's against me. Both statements are true because the universe will give you everything you ask for and everything you're feeling. Here's an example of how frequency works. So let's say you just feel bitter. Everything's just nasty. It's sour, bitter. Well, that's the station you're broadcasting out to the universe. So since your vibe makes your tribe, guess who's coming to dinner? That's right, Debbie Downer and her ratchety Aunt Karen. So they can stink up the place. Make that sharp, pointy meat, burn it, and then have guacamole that's all onion instead of avocado. And then at the end of the night, you're gonna be served Jell-O with raisin and celery in it. Congratulations. The universe just gave you everything you asked for with your vibration and your frequency and your energy. So by switching from Bill Bitter's bummed out station, you don't have to deal with Debbie Downer. By raising your vibration, you're changing the station. The universe is going to connect you with higher vibrations. Kind of like asking the universe to play your favorite soundtrack over and over again. Remember, energy goes where attention flows. Let me say that again. Energy goes where attention flows. So if your attention is to gratitude, that's all the universe is going to flood. If you're expecting great things, that's all that's going to happen. Again, it's like the pronoia. It's not paranoia, it's pronoia. Pronoia is everything always works out for me. Proceed as a success is inevitable. Everything always works out for me. That's all you're going to say. And that's going to raise your vibration. Gratitude also opens your brain to its pleasure centers, the reward centers. So not only are this are you this badass DJ, but you're also this amazing bartender. You're gonna make up this cocktail of dopamine and serotonin. Basically, it's this cup full of sunshine, rainbows, and unicorns. What does this do? Well, it's like your body's gonna be giving you a spa day as long as you keep your vibration up. The sunshine cocktail, the dopamine and serotonin, it lowers your blood pressure. It helps you sleep. It attracts better opportunities and attracts the right people into your life. Just by staying on the right frequency. So what you have to do, what we all have to do, is use our energy to believe and not to worry. Gratitude is the ultimate state of receivership. So it also helps you stay in the moment. So what gratitude does is it brings the future to you. Meaning, I assume that everything always works out for me. That's what makes me grateful, because I'm proceeding as if success is inevitable. So gratitude is like chocolate. It just makes everything better without having an excuse to indulge. The universe loves gratitude. It's like sending it incense. So I thank you for watching the show. If you'd like to subscribe or like, please do so.